see you watching. Just go ahead and click on subscribe, like, share, comment. It's free. All right, welcome back, citizens. Today we're going to be reviewing the Case Club 5 pistol 20 magazine hard case. Stay tuned.
Citizen to a citizen, boy. Citizen to a citizen, boy.
Another one.
Key to life.
Alright, so we got on the bench. This is the Case Club 5 pistol case 20 magazine hard case. I like it. I've had it now for about let's say about 2 weeks now. A couple things that I've noticed about it. They say that it's airtight, waterproof. These pins back here are one way, which is important, so you can't just bang them out. I don't know if you can see that in there. Right? I like the setup. It is definitely a hard case. It has the little metal grommets over the holes. It's TSA approved. I like the release. Air valve here. This seems a little bit less plasticky than the rest of the handle, so maybe this is their rubberized handle. Let's take a look inside. So I got this full. One of the features that I do like about it is most pistol cases, or the one that I have, when you open it, this door falls all the way down. With this pistol case, it doesn't. It stops here. So I definitely like that. The fit at first was a little tight. It has your sealed foam here, so it's water resistant. So if any liquids gets on it, you could just wipe it off. It didn't come like this. You have to pluck it out. It's not like your regular foam. It's pre-cut, laser cut. I guess I'll show clear on all of these as I take them out. So we're clear. So you can see it fits 5 and in all sizes too, right? This is your Glock 34. This closes. It can close with the +5 in here. Okay. You just have to position it a little bit, push it down a little bit. It's a little bit tighter, so it does close with the +5 in it, but because I don't really need it in there right now, I'll just keep it with this. So here's your Glock 17 with the +5. Fits just perfectly in there, no worries. This is also clear. Well, let me clear it. Clear. Also holds your lights on here. It's another Glock 17 with a +2, I believe, on here. Pierce grip. Clear. Your Glock 19X with the 5-round mag and your red dot. This one had the red dot on it as well. Here's your Glock 19 there. So all of these fit in here. One thing that this has that the other cases that I've seen that I haven't seen rather. So say if you're going to a match or if you're traveling, this converts from a 5-pistol case to a 4-pistol case just by pulling that insert out. And then you have this space here that you can use for anything. And a matter of fact, hold on. So if you're going to shoot a match, or if you're flying, you got your ammo. You can go ahead and stick your ammo in there. Oh, it has a bow on it. My birthday was the other day, and my brother got me 200 rounds, 200 target rounds. We usually go shooting together. So big shout out to Lex. You can fit your timer in there, and well, can't really fit your iPro in the case, but if you take it out the case, I'm sure you could stick it in there and it'll be fine.
Do we know it's gonna be as big as it is? Pause. Pause, yeah.
For travel, we'll see. Yeah. Snaps. Oh, and I did do a waterproof test. I didn't believe it was waterproof.
Bullshit. A bullshit. A bullshit. Bullshit.
Wanted to test it, so I went ahead and tested it, and I'm going to roll that video in right now.
You gotta be kidding me.
Alright, so as you can see in that video, it's not only waterproof, it is airtight, and what I like about it is that it floats. For me to keep it down in the water submerged, I had to put a 40-pound weight on, as you can see, and I mean, it did great. It was a little surprising. I did see some air bubbles come out, and I thought that a little bit of water was getting in, but when I went ahead and opened it up, nothing. I tried to pour water out. There was no water to pour out. I took all the foam out just to make sure that no moisture got in, and I checked the seals inside, make sure it wasn't wet, and it wasn't wet. Last but not least, it comes with like this silica pack. I like this. You slip it in here. There was a slot in here, but I mean, once I open the package, I'll just keep it in there to slip it anywhere. It doesn't need its own designated slot. But what I like about this is you can recharge these. So yeah, let's open it. So I think when this turns, let's see, case got 40. If green, reactivate 3 hours at 250. Let's see if you can see that here. So you can't see it, I can read it. So when this little dot turns green and you want to reactivate it, you put it in an oven for 3 hours at 250, and the green should go away. So let's put this in here. We'll leave it in here, and Maybe some moisture did get in, very little that I couldn't see, and I'll check it out. If there is, I will do a video and let you guys know. Anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe.
And stay dangerous.
Another one.